Okay, welcome. So, just loaded my save and he's definitely still there. That's good to know. What do we need to do? Make our way to the third floor to get to the clock tower. Do I have the gear? I need to grab that from the item box. I've got to loop the man. Oh, he turned around. I was too fast. Okay, large gear. Quickest way was through the library, I'm pretty sure. Very good to know that he stays where he was when you save. Oh, my game really freaked out there. Okay, music's toned down, so I think I might have lost him. Wow. These frame stutters. Okay, so there were zombies at the end of this hall. Need to keep that in mind. By hiding behind this pillar last time, there's one of them. There he is. Just fall over, I need to get in that door. Yeah, hopefully Mr. X can't get in here. My hope anyway. Repair plan. Okay, it doesn't look like they can get in here, so this might actually be a safe room. What's this? Lowers the staircase, very handy. Okay, this needs another gear, which I guess I don't have. It's back here. Dead end. Looks like it could easily be another lecker hallway. Oh, it's the other side of that one room. I see. What's this? Gunpowder? Large. Takes double the amount of ammo. Okay. Honestly surprised nothing happened there. There's something up here. Oh, that looks like the box with the electronic part I need. More gear. Okay, so I need to bring that down. Just a quick puzzle by the seams of it. Now I grab this one again and take that upstairs. Nice and quick. Bit destructive. Can't blame that one on the zombies, can you, Leon?
I don't have to write a report on this.
Okay, so let's grab this item. Here we go. Electronic part. I need to grab the other one from my item box and then take them... where was it? Oh yeah, I remember. Car park area. Just a case of getting there safely. 'Cause I can hear Mr. X. Oh my... Yeah, hi! If we... I think we confirmed that this is a safe room. Get the bejesus out of me. Would have preferred to go back through the library. I guess I can go to the other side through the fire escape. Okay, he's left now. Why do I feel like I'm not going to be able to sneak past this guy? Oh, the one time they don't immediately leap out at me. Awesome. Okay. Go straight across. Oh, of course. Okay, so all the zombies on this gate have disappeared at least. He's freaking out. Oh, I left one. Just fall over. Oh, it does stun at least. This is a safe room. Here's the other part. Please cease. Okay, I think he's actually dead now. What's my pathing since there are dogs down here? Ah yes, I've got a loop right around the kennel. Like right, gunpowder. Make sure I swipe that. Oh wait, I don't actually have to go through the kennel. Through the jail. Well, let's hope I don't die. Hello. That went pretty well. Never mind, they're in here too. Oh, he's on top of the car. Hello. Good jump, but please leave me alone. Can't come in here, can you? Okay, I'm gonna assume that the dogs can't come in here. Oh boy. I see. Puzzle. What am I doing here? That's the question. I figured it out. Definitely didn't take me a very long time. First aid spray. Ben's memo. Codename Tyrant. This is Mr. X. The ultimate bioweapon. Okay. He apparently knew a lot. Makes sense for a reporter to have that.
That doesn't explain the rumors about the orphanage. I just find it way too coincidental Umbrella's one of the benefactors.
Umbrella? An orphanage?
Told me this interview is about the new scholar.
Man, they really want us to hate them.
Come on, that nobody cares about that. They want to know about the G virus
Where did you hear about this?
and that big fucking sinkhole in the city, which, by the way, rumor has it goes straight to your underground
Man.
lab. Now,
Looks like Ben's getting real angry.
Are you
This
gonna...
interview is over.
Bitch.
Yeah. Just a transcript of the interview and the keycard. We can finally get out of the station.
What are they after?
Yep, we sort of expected that. What does the switch do? Opens this door. Yes, you can open this. It's completely blocked off by the map. Oh, come
Give me a
on.
break.
What's that, Leon? Oh, wow. I might die. Well, that went well. I'm glad I got that extra first aid. Oh, for crying out. Should've just flashbanged them all. Could've saved that knife. At least the dogs ain't out here, never mind. Oh, thank goodness for Ada. Thank you.
This is getting old. Saving your ass, that's twice.
I didn't realize you were keeping score.
Look, this isn't a game. Nothing dies down here.
Yeah. No matter how much you shoot them in the head, apparently. She was certainly prepared.
I take it you have the key card.
Yeah. And this. I was hoping you could explain what's on it.
Maybe. After I hear it,
You gotta hit play.
let's get out of here.
Ooh-wee.
We might want to open the shutter.
That's quite the encounter. Alright, calm down. Finally getting out of here. Herb. Oh, and that was it for outside. Just a little story moment, I guess. Now she's listening to the tape. Streets of Raccoon
Is that the intel
City.
you needed?
Unfortunately, no.
Gun shop.
Ben didn't come through.
Well, what exactly are you looking for?
More info on the people responsible for this mess. What about you? Trying to save the world?
I told Lieutenant Brenna I'd bring help.
Place is pretty
Not
cool.
getting that.
It's just pretty neat being outside, I guess. We're going to the gun shop. Umbrella.
Road's out. Going through that gun shop looks like the only way.
Nice. Picking master.
What a mess.
Okay, I guess she's doing that, and I've got to explore. Long barrel. Ups its max capacity to 8. Ooh, a shotgun upgrade. Telling me that I should grab my shotgun. Letter to the shopkeeper. Seems like you've got your reasons for staying put, so I trust you to take care of yourself. Do everything I can. Jill Valentine. Neat. A lot of bullets. Looted everything in here. Oh,
I'm not gonna hurt
hello.
you.
I said don't move.
I'm just passing through. I'm gonna ask you to lower that weapon.
Like hell you are. You're gonna turn around and go right back out the way you came in.
Oh, hello.
I think your daughter needs help, sir.
Don't tell me how to deal with my daughter.
Drop it.
No! Wait!
Step aside. We need to terminate her before she turns.
That's awful.
Terminate. It's my fucking daughter.
Ada. Just let them be.
Emma? Sweetheart, I told you to stay put.
I don't think this is gonna end well.
Daddy's here. Come here. Okay? Those fucking things outside. What they did to us. You're a cop. You're supposed to know something. How did this happen? Huh?
I don't know.
She was our sweet little angel.
Mommy.
I was sleeping, honey. Okay? And I'm gonna put you to bed too, okay? Emma.
I'm expecting this emotional beat to happen.
Just go. Just give us some privacy.
Yikes. Okay.
You know, it's one thing to keep the truth from me, but why him?
Oh,
I want to find out what's happening here and stop whoever's
it's
behind
very
it.
tragic.
Helping people like them? That's why I joined the force.
My mission is to take down Umbrella's entire operation. We may not make it out.
Whatever it takes to save this city. Count me in.
The official team up. I'm gonna assume it's not gonna let me in here. Yeah. Right, let's move on.
Heard of the Umbrella Corporation? They're
Just a
a
bit.
pharmaceutical company secretly making bioweapons. They have a virus. It turns people into indestructible monsters.
That explains the horrible things I've seen.
Scale of this is pretty
and
cool.
That's why I'm looking for Annette Birkin. She's
Annette
the
Birkin.
one at Umbrella responsible for unleashing the virus.
Like William
I'm going
Birkin?
to bring her down.
Oh boy.
This is how we get to Annette.
Based on what you've said, the sewer seems fitting.
Well said. After you.
Gee, thanks.
From what I've heard about this game, the sewer isn't the best of parts.
Can't imagine a real scientist being down here.
According to HQ, this leads right into Umbrella's
There's
secret
loot to
facility.
keep an eye out for.
Sewers are run by the city. How could they have a facility without the authorities knowing?
Good question.
Welcome to corporate America. Umbrella's controlled Raccoon City for years.
And it's definitely safe, is what I was about to say. Okay.
I sure as hell hope so.
Man, my timing has been pretty good today.
What the hell?
Stay sharp. God only knows what's down here.
Is that an alligator? Coming, Ada. I need help to fight that thing. Safe room. I grab my shotgun, methinks. There we go. I'll take up 2 slots. I guess that does make sense. It was a very quick reload. Apparently there was an item I missed back there.